to use Excel to create a spreadsheet for our business. We are going to launch the program and start a blank workbook now. Since this is the first assignment that we are going to do with Microsoft Excel, we need to go through some of the things that you see in any spreadsheet. First of all, the spreadsheet is designed and organized according to cells, just like in the game Battleship where you have columns that are letters and rows that are numbers. You can identify cells such as this one by such as G6.to enter in information into a cell. You simply click it and start typing. And so I'm going to type employee payroll, press enter. And you notice that this cell, even though it extends into column B, really it is only in A1. Now let's use Excel as a payroll. We are going to keep track of the hours that our employees work this week, and we'll keep track of their wages. So first of all, we need to put some column headings. IN.SO I'm going to put in the title, last name, and then first name. And then I'm pressing tab between these keys so that it moves the selection moves to the right hourly wage, and then I'm going to put in the date. Let's say January 1st, and press enter. Over here, I'm going to say that this is the hours worked and this is their total pay. So I'll just put the word pay. Now you notice you can expand a column by clicking between the column headers, like between D and E. Now you can see the whole word, the. Next thing you need to do is you need to invent some names. So you get to come up with about 20 names, maybe 15 for your employees. I'll type them in now. Now you can see that I've invented names, last names and first names, and now I'm going to give them an hourly wage each person makes, about $15 or so. So I'll type in some numbers here. You notice when you type in numbers, they are right, justified, when you type in the person's name in your spreadsheet that they are all left, justified. That's just a convention that Microsoft Excel uses so that you can identify letters versus numbers. Now, one of the items that you will most commonly use in Excel is formatting. These are all hourly wages. I'm going to select this range with my mouse by clicking and dragging. The first square is actually highlighted even though it's white. The other ones are gray. But what I want to do is change them into a currency. So I'm going to click on the $sign up here. And you notice that they all become $signs. They all are the hourly wage for each employee now. Let's invent a number for each of the employees for how long they worked. The average work week for a full-time person is about 40 hours. So I'll create wages, or I'll create the number of hours that each person worked in this column after giving each employee a number of hours. We are going to start working with formulas. Now over here on this line, in this square in E4, I'm going to create a calculated number, a calculated cell if a person gets $15.90 an hour.